Hello viewer. Introduce myself. I would like to introduce myself too. I'm Maris Parsa. You can call me Chongnik. I'm from Bali. Today I would like to share with you about my composition to my friend. We would like talking about the Balinese language, our traditional language, to be my friend. Hello Max.
Hello.
Can you introduce yourself?
Yes, I'm Max. I'm from Argentina.
Yeah.
I'm living in Bali since February, and I'm practicing karate with my sensei.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
So, what makes you interest to learn about the Balinese language?
Well, every language is a universe. It's a world of feelings and philosophy and thoughts and a perspective in life.
Okay, maybe you can check it more relaxed, bro. Okay. Yeah, I agree with you. You are right, because I think the same too. The language is the aim of the language. The aim of the language is to communicate. The communicate aim is to understanding the others people when we communicate like that. So in Balinese, that they have a unique, complicated vocabulary, word, and the others, because for every word they have so many usable and so many level, and different level is a different word. So for when you would like to learning Balinese language, the first time you can do it is you must practice every day, communicate with the Balinese people, with the Balinese language. So every day you must you add yourself by new vocabulary every day. Maybe I think for one day 5 vocabulary of Balinese word. Maybe for one vocabulary or one word of Balinese, and in the parent level like medal, makan, ngajang, and the others, for example. And the first time, everyone that will be learn the Balinese language is introducing. Maybe we can practice like me and you, and today we are talking about the dialogue in the Balinese. Maybe we translate the trilingual in English, in Indonesian, in Balinese like that. Because I'm sure you can do it, because you have a talent to learning so many languages.
I don't know, but thank you.
But I'm sure. Okay. In Balinese, greeting is when we show somebody people and we didn't know, we say Om Swastiastu as the greeting of our Balinese, because we are almost of Hindu. And then we said like in English, how are you? Maybe Indonesia, apa kabar? In the Balinese word is Sapuna Pigatra, or we say Sapuna Pigatra. Udah Sapunavi is a legacy of level, but look like a slang language. For the more friendly, we use Kenken Kabare.
Kenken kabare.
The Kenken, the more deep legacy level is Sapunapi. Kabare is the friendly, look like a slang language, and more level again is Gatrone. Okay, we practice that. Hi Max.
Hi Sensei.
Kenken kabare.
Becik.
Yeah, you're right. Okay, now you say like that to me. Okay.
Hello Sensei.
Hello Max.
Kenken kabare.
Becik. Okay. Oh, okay. You can do like that. Now we train with different words. Different level, I said. Sapuna Pigatra. Yeah.
Becik.
Okay, we train. Om Swastiastu.
Swastiastu.
Sapuna Pigatra na.
Becik. Suksumo.
Yeah, Suksumo. Okay, that's the first sentence we can use to talking or dialogue in Balinese language. you can to be a native, look like a native speaker of Balinese people when you do practice every day, talking every day, and every day you more add your vocabulary, like I said. Okay, for my friend Max, I give him a 5 word of vocabulary of Balinese every day. Okay, and the next sentence we can use, for example, sarang sira dia mungkin siapa sira jerone. Maybe when we ask the somebody name, the first time we greeting the about the like how are you, and then we can ask the name for the deep introducing again. Maybe in English, how are you? Who are you? Ya. Who are you? Maybe Indonesia, dengan siapa saya atau siapa Anda? Maybe in Balinese, sarang sira dia.
Tiang Max.
Saking api jerone.
Tiang saking Argentina.
Excellent bro. Okay, we repeat again. Sarang sira dia.
Tiang Max.
Wastan titiang Max. You can say like that too.
Wastan Tiang Max.
Wastan titiang Max. Okay.
Wastan Tiang Max.
Yeah. That's it viewer. When we ask name of the other people that we didn't know, and then we ask where is come from, or dari mana mereka, or saking napi. Saking napi jadinya.
Tiang saking Argentina.
Oh.
That's
Great. Okay, we can do every day while talking about this the dialogue, and you train your spell, your words to be native, look like native speaker of Balinese people, because the native speaker of Balinese is the words, intonation, the emotion when we say it is something very different. Okay, we can train again. Om Swastiastu.
Swastiastu.
Sapunapi Gatra.
Pecik suksunu.
Sarang sira dia.
Tiang Max.
Sapunapi Gatra rahina mangkin.
Tiang saking Argentina.
Sapunapi Gatra rahina mangkin. I ask you with different.
Ya. Pecik. Ya, suksunu.
Saking napi jerone.
Tiang saking Argentina.
Excellent. Yeah, that's viewer. One of example, basically of the value sentence. Maybe the next video we will talking about different thing with different vocabulary and the others. Okay, thank you. Bye. Om Santi.
Om Santi Om.
Next
Sorry, Zeze. I'm sorry I made this mistake.
Yeah? Oh, it's okay. Excellent, bro.
It's good.